Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, pano sunroof. Come around back, rear spoiler, C300, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, comfort box for extra storage. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, illuminated door sills, Burmeister sound system, a dark brown linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got a new touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, 10.25 widescreen display, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, navigation, wireless charging, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 4,993 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.